These are Lucy babies, and they will be 8 weeks old on the 25th. Just starting their weaning.
Come here, little puppy dog. Come here.
They're pretty happy and outgoing. Lucy is a great mama.
This little girl sold.
She's sold. She's pretty.
She's gonna live in Sacramento? Or farther south?
Farther south.
Somewhere in California. How's that?
Oh, yeah, Bay Area down there.
Here's the cutest little boy.
He gonna be little.
Yeah, less than 5 pounds.
Yeah, he's the littlest one we have right now.
He's charting out at 5 pounds, but he's fat, so lose that puppy fat. There's another boy, just gorgeous.
He is beautiful.
He looks like he's got a big protruding forehead, but
it's all hair.
It's all hair. It's all hair. Oh my goodness. Good name for him would be Patch.
Yeah.
Patch Adams. I'm a Mr. Patch dog. Yes, I am. He's cute. Oh my goodness. Come here, Missy. Hey. Come here.
Baby, come here.
Come here. Come here. Your mommy wants to watch you play. He's a rabbit.
Auntie, hush. Oh my goodness.
So we're looking at some really thick, beautiful, luscious coats on these puppies.
Yep.
Hi. I see you. Oh, I see you. Is that eye contact? Huh? You giving me eye contact? Are you? Are you the racetrack dog today? Oh, look at you. Look at you.
Oh my. Oh. Lily, hush.
He's going to kill that teddy bear. I get you. I get you. Give you a belly rub. I give you a good belly rub. Yes, I will. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh.
Killing the binky. And he goes after the biggest one.
Yeah.
You just want to wrestle. This guy here is going to be a little bigger.
Yeah.
More in the 7 to 8 pound range.
He'll be nice and sturdy. He'll be wonderful for a family.
Family with younger children.
Yeah.
Well, great for an older couple.
Yeah.
You get the great dog. He says, I'm going to be just beautiful. Yeah, look how happy he is.
He is a happy
See it
boy.
all over his face.
Yep.
You're being so serious killing this binky. Yeah, don't you want to play with me? Huh? Don't you want to play with me? He's going to have a beautiful double thick long coat, cream
Yeah.
ears.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. There's Sierra, come say hi to you. There's Sierra, come say hi to you.
Got fuzz on your face. You get that fuzz off of there. Where's that come from? Huh? Toy fuzz. Toy fuzz. Oh my goodness.
Angie?
You're chewing on me. I just chewing. Oh, who's that? Hmm? You got in my space, Daddy. You got in my space. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, come get me. Come and get me.
Oh, did you wipe out? Shake it off, little one. Shake it off. Get that toy. Kill that toy. Kill that toy. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna have a little brown nose, aren't you? Aren't you? Oh, you're just gorgeous. Yes, you are.
He is so lovey.
Yeah.
Back there, huh? You like my ear? Do you like my ear? Oh my goodness. He's not biting, he's just working it.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh boy. You're just a slobbering mess. Yes, you are.
So
Just
many
let
things
everybody
to
know this
smell.
little boy here is probably going to be with us till he's around 10 weeks old.
Oh, at least, yeah.
Yeah.
The littler they are, the longer they got to stay with us.
Look at her. Yes.
She get wound up now. Oh, no.
You have too much coffee this morning? He's a little tyrant though. We had them under video watching him as a litter, and he pretty much kicked butt on all these other ones. Put video on there, or camera, just to make sure they weren't overwhelming him.
Yeah, he don't get picked on. He stands up for himself.
Usually if there's someone in a fight, he's the one in charge. Huh.
Oh.
She's something, isn't she?
She's very serious about killing that teddy bear. Oh my.
That feel good? Do you like that, or is that irritating you? Huh?
Doing over here, little man.
It's okay.
Oh my.
That's squirrel fight.
Squirrel fight.
Look at how clean his belly is. You think he got shaved? Look
Yeah.
at that. You got no hair on your belly.
Got a soft little pink baby belly.
The other one got that?
Oh, got racetrack.
Well, about the same thing.
Yeah.
For some reason his just seemed more, stand out more.
Oh, she's snorting?
Keep playing. Come here. The tail just won't stop wagging. On the big boy,
Uh-huh. Oh, he's happy.
his tail just ain't quit.
Get her! Don't let her talk to you that way. Get her!
We get to watch that on camera all day. It's so funny to see. Yeah, it smelled something good.
Mmm, what's that? Likely to be anything by the dishwasher.
Hello there, little one. You got a cute little tail.
Oh my goodness, she's wound up now. She's wound up now. Watch out, everybody.
See, their tails are up good. They feel real secure.
Oh yeah, they're happy kids. Happy kids. What a
Careful.
nut.
You gotta be careful.
You can see they love their toys. Very social.
That's my shoe.
Very happy. So here they are. we've got the 2 boys still available. If you'd like to place a deposit on one of them, you're interested, you have more questions
Come here,
about them,
Mitzi.
give us a call. You're always available to visit and play with them in person, just like what Vic's doing right here.
Come here, Missy.
And we'd love to share our puppies.
Come here. Come here.
She says, no, I've got the perfect toy
You
right
gotta
there.
say hi to your mommy.
You can catch her.
Say go hi to your mommy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say
I
hi
will
and
see
goodbye.
you. I will see you soon. Yes,
Yeah.
I will. I will see you soon.
Get your house ready, because I'm coming.
I'm going to come and take over.
They'll get their shot in about 2 days.
There they